Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate at home with ease. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need cocoa butter, unsweetened cocoa powder, and your preferred sweetener, like powdered sugar or honey. Also, prepare a double boiler or a microwave-safe bowl for melting. Don't forget optional flavorings such as vanilla extract or a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the taste. Make sure all your tools are clean and dry before you begin. Now, let's get melting. Gently melt your cocoa butter using a double boiler, ensuring the bowl does not touch the simmering water. If using a microwave, heat it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. Once melted, gradually sift in your cocoa powder and sweetener. Stir continuously until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. Maintaining a low, steady temperature is key to a perfect consistency. This is where you can customize your chocolate. Stir in any flavorings, such as 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a small pinch of sea salt. For a professional shine and satisfying snap, tempering is recommended. This involves carefully controlling the chocolate's temperature. A simple method is seeding. Add small pieces of unmelted chocolate to your melted mixture, stirring until it cools to around 81 degrees Fahrenheit, then gently reheat to about 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Almost done, carefully pour your smooth chocolate into your chosen molds. Silicone molds work wonderfully for easy release. Gently tap the molds on your counter a few times to remove any air bubbles, ensuring a smooth finish. Place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until the chocolate is completely firm. Once set, carefully unmold your delicious homemade treats. Store them in a cool, dry place to maintain their quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.